Testing multiple elif expressions. Testing multiple elif expressions. If we need to test multiple conditions in your code, we can use if and elif expressions as many as we need to do in our comparisons. There is no actual limits to use if, elif, else statements. Let's see how. So first go to brackets and we will make a full program to use if, elif, else statements. Okay, this program checks for discounts and the interest price is $120. Create a variable called price and assign it with $120. And another variable called times is just to know how many times did you go to the zoo before. And assign it with int. Int means integer and it takes only whole numbers as we said before. Then parenthesis input. Input means to let the user insert any integer. So now type if times equal 3 colon and price equals 120 minus 30. Then print a string. Your total included discount will be, comma, variable price. It says here if times equal 3, which means if the user went to the zoo 3 times, the discount will be $30. That's why we use 100 minus 30. Now we use elif times equal 4 colon. Price will be 120 minus 50. Same thing, we use elif times equal 5 colon. Price equals 120 minus 60. Another elif times greater than or equals 6 colon price equals 120 minus 70. Else colon print a string of your total price is, comma, price, comma, another string, and you are not eligible for discount at this time. Okay, now try your program on terminal. How many times did you go to this zoo before? For example, 1 time. I'm not eligible because it's less than 3 times. As you see here, if you visit 6 times or more, your discounts will be only $70. Enjoy your program and try to play with the code. Thank you for watching.